Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically that I finally got new glasses and that you won't believe how worn out my old ones were, okay? So I finally got new glasses, as you can see right here, styling and profiling. I look fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. I can see in HD right now, it's amazing, okay? And you won't believe how worn out my old ones were. My old glasses were super unbelievably worn out. They're right over here. And I'll show you in a moment. So first and foremost, let's take a look at these new glasses. Let's do a style check, baby. Look at these bad boys. Look at that. Boom, boom, bam, bam. Coach, look amazing, okay? Look fantastic. The vision is incredibly amazing. I can see everything clearly now. Literally, it's like I went, okay? It's like I went from a 1940s television or whenever they had TVs, right? 1970s television to like a brand new TV. Like that's literally, it's like I upgraded like that. It's crazy. Everything's so vivid. Now, let's take a look at my old ones, okay? Ready for it? Wait, ready? Ready for, boom! Look at these bad boys right here. Okay, take a look at these bad boys right here. So, first and foremost, before you even notice the fact that the arm is completely broken off, okay? The hinge is completely snapped off. The metal part of the hinge, done, okay? Look at the actual, look at the coating on them. It's completely worn off. So I'm gonna put my hand behind it. And it might be hard to see. I'm not sure if you can tell, but if you look, yeah, you can kind of see through the reflection. They're all scratched. So basically what happened is these glasses, I think at this time are 6 or 7 years old. I had them well before my son was born. My oldest child, my son, was born. I have 4 young kids, hence all the scratches and the broken glasses and stuff. But I had them well before my son was born, and he is 5.5 right now. So they're probably 6 to 7 years old. But here's the thing. I'll tell you kind of why it took me so long to get new glasses. I wore contacts most days for a good portion of those years. But in the last roughly 2 years, I wore glasses basically full-time for the last 2 years. So these glasses went from being just barely, pretty decently scratched. They were pretty decently scratched to being like super in horrible condition. It's kind of, I don't know if you're able to catch this on camera. I'm going to try and hold them and move them around, but literally the clear coat is destroyed. The coating on them is destroyed. So fun fact, my neighbor, he lives close to me. My son and his kids take the school bus together. So he lives close to me. He's my optometrist. Optometrist. So I was going to say optician, but he's the optometrist, the eye doctor. Okay. Fantastic. Danny, love you, man. Absolutely amazing. Looks after you. I'm not going to, just out of like for privacy reasons, I'm not going to say where it is. I'm not going to say the name of the company or anything like that, but Danny, in case you're watching this, I love you, man. Thank you so much. I can see clearly now. It's amazing. Okay. But what he's saying, I believe, is that the coating had worn off, and over time through scratches, the coating wears off, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I talked to a few different people. I did my own research as well. And just, as glasses get older, the coating is more likely to wear off. Especially I use these when, going to swimming lessons with my kids and blah, 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 in all different situations. I use these through a renovation. So there was all, drywall dust on them when I was doing the drywall. And then I would just wipe the drywall dust off. So like, it's not that glasses will just go bad themselves, but like I kind of abused the glasses, and that's pretty much why they went bad. But yeah, I mean, and then what happened was Claire, one of the twins, one of my youngest kids, they're twins, 18 months at the time of filming this, she slapped the glasses off my face. She just we were playing around, and she took her hand and slapped the glasses, and they fell on the floor, and then the arm broke off. So for the last 2 months, I was dealing with this. I was literally walking around with duct taped glasses covered by electrical tape, which to make it look the same color. And also, I have hair tie elastics. I have Olivia's elastics, my oldest daughter, who is 4 years old at the time of filming this. I have her hair elastics on here to prevent them from sliding off the face. So, and then because they were broken, I would constantly be adjusting them anyways. So, and look at this, look. The glasses aren't going anywhere. My old glasses were sliding off my face. These glasses are not going anywhere. Now, what I noticed as soon as I put these on, like, my prescription only changed a slight bit. So the prescription on these was still good. I'm still keeping them as backup. And believe it or not, oh my gosh. Holy, what a... Well, they're dirty now, but they're like, what a difference. Oh my gosh. How did I wear these before? It's crazy how your eyes adjust. I was fine wearing these before, pretty much. I noticed the scratches, I noticed the blurriness, but I was okay. Now it looks like I can't even see. So I can wear them like this. I mean, I would walk around the streets like this. Why not? Just for fun. Hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. Yeah, you're doing great. Okay, no problem. I can look. Because of the elastic, they're not going to go anywhere either. But without the elastics, they were flying off my face. So, whoo, HD, baby. I just upgraded to 1080p. I went from 480p, 460p, whatever it is, to 4K. This is amazing. Whoa, great. 320p even before. These are whatever the lowest quality is. Anyways, lowest quality nowadays. I think 480p is probably 460p, whatever it is the lowest you can get. And then you go up to obviously 4K. Anyways, yeah, I mean, and they're faded, like they're super faded. And honestly, another part of the reason is I like to put myself through crap, to be honest with you. I'm not like, a couple things. Number one, I like to sort of put myself through the ringer in the sense that I like to really earn things that I have. So like I wanted new glasses, but I set a goal for myself, a video goal. And I said, okay, when I have filmed this big number of batch of videos, the number was in, I don't remember what the exact number was, but I hit it and then I went further. That's why I forgot what the number was. It was in the 400. So I said, I wanted new glasses. And I said, okay, when I film like 400 videos, roughly, 400 and something videos, then, you know, to hit a certain scheduling date on my channel, I'll get new glasses. And then I passed that goal. So then I went and got new glasses. I like to earn my stuff, you know, truly, I really do. Like, so when I get something, I've really, like, the average person might do this to earn it. I've like done this to earn it, you know, so it's just what I do. It's how I keep myself in check, I guess. Not that I'm like some famous person or something like that, but I've done very well for myself, and I don't like to let it get to my head, because trust me, sometimes it does, but I try and avoid it getting to my head by really basically, you know, putting myself through the ringer before I reward myself. And also, I always like looking way less wealthy than I am. So by walking around with this, wearing a, you know, an 8 or 9-year-old hoodie, 10-year-old hoodie, 5-year-old hoodie, whatever it is, you know, driving like I drive a Honda CRV and a Honda Odyssey, nothing crazy. People probably are like, oh, like they might feel bad for me. Maybe like, this guy doesn't have the money to get new glasses or something, which is totally fine. You know, maybe they feel sympathy, which, and it's not true, but you know, I guess that fuels me, that even though it's not true, having people think that I'm less wealthy than I am, number one, it fuels me, and number two, it keeps me under the radar, because the last thing I want people to know is that at the time of filming this, I have over 30 videos that have over 1 million views each, and by the time that this is released, it'll probably be closer to 40. It might even be more. I don't even remember. The last time I counted, it was 30. Maybe I have 40. I don't even know. And one of the videos is over 50 million views, another video is over 5 million views, and I got a couple more over 2 million views. And I know it seems like, oh, 5 million, 50 million is not a big deal, but to get the video with 15 million views, you need to hit 1 million 15 times, right? Like, you kind of lose track of it when you kind of lose, like, not track, but you lose sight of the relativity of it when you think about a 15 million view video, but you're like, you need to hit 1 million 15 times, right? Even to get it to a 2 million view video, you need to hit 1 million twice, right? It's just kind of crazy. But so I don't want people to know this stuff, so I try and stay under the radar, you know. Yeah, and even with these glasses, you know, like, they're nice glasses, but they're basic glasses, so it's not like I'm wearing a Rolex or something, or it's not like I'm wearing a nice watch, or, you know, wearing like designer clothes. It still keeps me under the radar. I can just see better now. So yeah, I mean, a lot of people, there have been so many comments about my glasses. I'll make a video on the top comments about my older glasses, because literally people said like some unbelievable stuff. Like, you need to do a tutorial on like getting new glasses. Like, and they said, I was dying of laughter when I was reading the comments. You can search my comments through like a filter word, and I was searching for glasses. And I was reading all the comments with glasses, and they were hilarious. Some of them were quite offensive, but still so funny. So I'll make a video, and I'm going to read out the top comments. I'll do that. I'm going to write it down after I'm done this. The top comments about my glasses. And yeah, I'll do that. So I'll honestly, yeah, that'll come out soon. I'm probably going to do that maybe even with the like next week. The next week of filming for me, which might be like 15, 20 videos away from now. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It'll be funny. I'll do that. I'm going to put it on the list. But yeah, honestly, I feel like the quality and the condition of my old glasses, how abused they were. Look at that. Look at that. Look how foggy they are, right? The condition of them, there's a scratch that literally went right down. It's kind of hard to see. It went right down my sight line. I mean, my sight line was fairly clear. It wasn't that foggy, but there was one scratch that literally went directly down the sight line. So I take much better care of these. I'm, you know, spraying them with the spray, wiping them with the proper cloth. I take them off in the shower before I get into the shower. I'm really taking care of these, at least for now. We know how it is, you know, in 3 months, 6 months from now, it is what it is. I'm just gonna use them like glasses. But for now, I feel like I've earned the right to take care of them for a while. So, and that's it. I feel like the condition of my old glasses warranted a video because I like I use them like crazy. Yeah, anyways, I can see clearly now. I'm happy. Fantastic. But that is truly it. I finally got new glasses, and you won't believe how worn out my old ones were. They were absolutely abused and destroyed. But now I'm happy that I can see again, that I can see, you know, fully again. I could see with those, but it was, you know, it was touch and go, as we call it. I could see with those. It wasn't that it was unsafe or anything. I could see with them, but the quality of the sight was not good. Meaning I could see perfectly, but it would be similar to someone using a prescription that is like 0.25 off, in the sense that you're going to be able to see, but the quality won't be perfect. So that's truly it. It's a, you know, I thought this video was going to be 3 minutes. It ended up being, we're almost at 11 minutes. So sorry that it was so long, but you know, hopefully you enjoyed this story time. If you like this video tutorial, not really tutorial, but if you like this video story time, demonstration, showing you my glasses, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.